Shalom, 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 beautiful people. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden, and today I am going to put some carrots down. So I got to fill up my bucket here. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I am, because it's Thursday and it's almost the weekend, people. So this is what I'm going to be planting today. My house carrots. The name of them is the Scarlet Nantucket carrot. I grew these at the beginning of spring, and they were so good, and they came out very well. So I'm going to fill up my bucket and water it in. Y'all, I can't find my small shovel, so I have to use this one. This is some pretty good loose dirt here. You have to have very loose dirt in order to grow carrots. It can't be compact. You cannot have compact soil to grow carrots. Remember that. No compact soil. So, what are you guys doing today? I know some people work, and I know some people are retired. And have you guys put your carrots down yet? Or are you going to grow any carrots? And if so, what kind of carrots are you going to grow? Remember, you got to have pot roast. You're going to have pot roast for... I can't find my small shovel, y'all. I know I'll be all over the place. But yeah, you're going to need pot roast for carrots. Carrots for pot roast. So y'all better get them carrots down. This particular carrot from Haas, it is a 75-day carrot. So if I plant them today, August, September, October, around November, they should be ready for some pot roast. Yep. The garden is slowing down. I have a few things left in the garden. I don't want to fill it all the way to the rim. to go and get my cardboard to put on top once I put these carrots down in here. We got a piece of cardboard I'm going to put on top of them. But first I'm going to water this in very good. I'm going to put a few amendments in here for these carrots. And need some potash for the roots. So the amendments I just used was I had some bone meal and a all-purpose fertilizer, even. It was 444, and I had some additional amendments, some potash to put in it. Yeah. This is my horror knife I was looking for the other day. Couldn't find it, but I finally found it. This is so important. I have to use this with everything I do in the garden. I use my horror knife. I'm going to put this in real good. Because you know carrots need to have very much soil at all times. Yeah, that water going down in that soil, that means it's very, very good soil. I want to make sure this is watered very good. So these carrots are supposed to be, supposed to be 1/4 inch in depth. They're supposed to be spaced 1/2 inch, then to 2 to 3 inches. Row spacing is 12 inches, and days to maturity is 75. But I really don't do it like that. What I do is just basically broadcast them all over the pot. So, like this. And then I'll come back on with them now later. And I go ahead and put my trusted vermiculite on top of them, like that. I'm telling you guys, this is a winner. Vermiculite is the best thing, and it's so light so it won't stunt the growth of the carrots, but it also helps the carrots stay moist. I think that's about enough. And what I'm going to do now, I think I got another piece of cardboard I'm going to put on top of here. And then I'm going to water it while the cardboard is on top as well. And I'm going to get my other piece. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm going to set this down here like this, and I'm going to go ahead and water it on top. And then after that, what I normally do is just let them sit here for a minute, and then I go put them in the shaded area. And every day I check it just to make sure that I do see some sign of life or something. Yeah, and it normally works out well for me. A lot of people use planks. You can use a wooden plank, but I just use cardboard, and it works out fine. So I've never complained. Planting carrots, sowing carrots. That is what I'm doing. I'm going to pull this soil from over there. You know what those wasps was yesterday? I went and pulled that thing over here and filled this up with dirt. And I'm planting carrots in here. But I didn't see no wasp.
Carrots are such a little thing.
Because I don't mean they'll come out.
What do you want to do?
No. They're regular carrots like I got out that bed over
They
there.
should plant on something bigger.
That's big enough.
How many big? You want to get out there? 5, 6, 7?
No, we get more than that. Listen, that little space I had over there designated to the carrots in the spring, it wasn't even no bigger than that. It was just a little corner.
And we didn't get a whole bunch of
Yes,
carrots.
I did. Did you see the video of the carrots?
They was little, man.
They was not little.
Something like this.
And this what you I didn't see any wasps over there this morning.
I mean, they ain't over there.
So you need to go over there and see if there's a wasp in there somewhere.
I got it there.
But thanks for sharing all on the video. You a hot mess. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you watching. Shalom, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shalom and happy gardening.